Rest in peace to Screw, tonight we take it slowly. Yeah.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Promised y'all I'm gonna start being more active on the channel, so thank you guys for coming back to another video. Today I actually caught a major delayed W. I picked up a sneaker that I wanted for a super long time under retail just because it might be used a little bit, you feel me? But I am gonna use them regardless, so that's no problem with me. Today we do have an unboxing. I'm gonna try to unbox a couple extra things just so that it isn't a bland video. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let's see if we could reach this video to at least 80 to 90 likes. That would be well appreciated. There's gonna be two giveaways that I'm gonna be running right now. One of them is for Borough 5, where they're gonna be giving away a Borough 5 tee and a Supreme item, which is the group tee in size large if I'm not mistaken. And then the Project 88 giveaway is gonna be for whatever item of your choice. And I'm gonna set up two different Gleam links, so you could go ahead and enter those, where you're gonna basically have to subscribe to my channel and follow Borough 5 on Instagram, follow Project 88 on Instagram, and check out their website. You have to screenshot whatever your favorite item is, and if you do win, that'll be the item that you get. I feel like that's a pretty dope vibe, you feel me? But without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. So I'm not gonna start with the most hype piece. I'm gonna start with like a little appetizer. I did pick up these pants that I haven't showed you guys, and honestly I'm ready to wear these shits because they're like an everyday pair of pants. Honestly, it's nothing super hype. It's just something I wanted to get so I could throw it on with some Prestos and just walk out the door type shit. And that's these right here. These are the traditional H&M joggers. You already know how it is. Little H&Ms, nothing extra, you feel me? Little zipper at the bottom, Fear God type vibe. I just want to wear these with a lot of my fits. When I honestly don't want to be too flashy with the pants, this is what I'll be wearing right here. I got these in like khaki. I got these in like the olive colorway as well. But these are going to be one of my most used pants. I just wanted to show you guys these real quick before I start wearing these shits. But I got these shits for like $15 on eBay. Nothing over the top like I said before. This is just a little entry, you feel me, to get this video started. This second piece right here is actually something I got a little while back. I don't really buy from other brands other than Supreme that much. But when I saw that this brand came out with this tee, I actually wanted it because I unboxed a pair of pants a little while back that actually matches this perfect. Every color that's on this tee is on the pants, so I had to pick it up. I honestly wanted the light blue colorway for this one, but this is a dime ATL piece right here. I don't know if it's dime ATL or it's just dime. This dime tee right here. I got a pair of pants that got the red with the green, and they got like a purplish hue on the other side. So this is a perfect tee to wear with those. I honestly like the fact that it's not expensive and it doesn't sell out instantly. Like they do sell out, don't get it twisted, but it's not gonna sell out like Supreme, you feel me? You're not gonna have to get whatever you get. Like this is actually a dope shirt right here. It's nothing over the top, says dime on the front with the two eyes. I don't know why the bitch is missing one eyebrow, but hey, it is what it is. This is a clean shirt right here. It's nothing over the top like I said before, but you can freak this with a plethora of shit. These are both entrees before we open the main course. Y'all know how we coming. Another dime piece right here. I think this is the first piece from Dime that I unboxed on the channel. I actually do rock with it. They have some pretty sick pieces. This shirt actually dropped in like a light blue colorway. That shit was fire, but it sold out. So I went with this one because I got there a little bit late. Still a fire piece. The quality is actually not half bad at all. I would honestly say if you are into these streetwear brands and you don't just worry about Supreme, check out Dime ATL, check out FTP, check out Noah. If you want like a video where I talk about low-key brands that you can buy, let me know down below because I will go ahead and record that probably like whenever you let me know. But that was the second piece. Now right here we got the main course. This is a pair of shoes that I've been wanting, bro, for a long time. These shits came out February last year and we're at the end of this year, so you already know this is a delayed W. Like this shit is delayed, but we still cooked up for the low. I got these for like $270 or $280 and retail is $300. So right here in this box we got a pair of Yeezy 700s. I asked a fellow YouTuber and a couple friends which ones I should get. They actually said go with the OGs because you feel me? Like if you don't have a pair of 700s, why get the new pair when you could get the good pair, the OG pair? the right way. I finally got these shits, bro. I'm gonna be wearing these shits real soon, honestly. I might take a fit pic for you guys. I'm gonna try to pull off a sick outfit. I feel like these go best with like cargo pants because they are like a bulky ass sneaker, and this is honestly what introduced the bulky sneakers. Let me get the sneakers out the box so we could get a little bit more in depth. So here we got the kicks. Y'all already know we got the banana yellow limeish laces. We got the turquoise right here, a little bit more teal colorways on it. We got a lot of different materials on here, a lot of heat. I am gonna get some b-roll on these because these shits are icy, bro. These are the pair of sneakers that honestly introduced dad shoes. At first people were hating on these. I don't even remember what my first thoughts on these was. I know that the colors on this shit is crazy, bro. Like, they're unbeatable. The whole white, this little bit of orange right here, all the colors on the top, the tones of gray. It's a lot of shit going on this sneaker, and it's a whole lot of fire, to be honest. These shits was barely used. I got them for like $270 or $280, like I said before, and they're going for like $350, $360. You might not look at it like a come up, but if they're worn once or twice and you plan on wearing them, scrub these shits down with baby wipes if you want them to look new. That's it. Like, it's not that steep. Like, look, bro, the bottom is new. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. In my opinion, this is a delayed W. I caught another delayed W last night. Y'all will be seeing that unboxing real soon, but it's just delayed W's on delayed W's right now, bro. I feel like these are so versatile. Like, I could wear what I got right now, but obviously I'm gonna try to freak the shit out of these in the best way possible. The outsole on these actually looks like a wave. That's why they so wavy. That shit was so corny, but yeah, this shit is hard, bro. Like, you cannot go wrong with these. I feel like if you choke these out and lace them really tight, they look trash, but once you loose lace these, they start getting real right. Right here we do have our final pickup. I did want to show you guys these. I had to, because honestly I had to see these sneakers. Not gonna hold you. Super clean right here. All around crazy ass sneaker. Not a lot of people would actually wear these, but a lot of people are fond of them, and I'm one of those people. So I'm gonna go ahead and freak these probably a whole lot. Honestly, bro, I'm not like the hugest fan of Yeezys, but I have more Yeezys than anything else besides Jordan. I don't know how or why this is happening, but it's just reality at this point, so I gotta go ahead and deal with it. These shits are hard though. The blushes are hard. The blue tints are still one of my favorite Yeezys from the 350 V2 line. Y'all gonna probably be seeing these a whole lot once I do sneaker rotations and shit like that, but this was the last pickup. If you did enjoy this video, I know this might end up being a quick one. Let me know down below. Honestly, I enjoyed it because I love these sneakers. I'm glad I could finally see them in hand, up close and personal, for the low as well. Y'all already know how we coming. Leave a like if y'all enjoyed this video. Let's get this shit to 100 likes. If y'all want to see a collaboration between me, Astro Nori, which is me obviously, and Project 88, let me know down below, because we could possibly drop some teas. If y'all are into that, we can make it happen. Just let me know. If this video is out after the giveaway started, then it started and the links are in the description. A lot of heat on the way. You already know how we coming. We trying to be back to our regular schedule, at least 4 videos a week. That's my promise to you guys. If I don't do that, y'all could blast me in the comments. Try to inspire me to do better, honestly, because I'm trying to get back on my shit, bro. I've been slacking too much and it's over for that shit, honestly. So like I said before, leave a like, smash the subscribe button, check them Gleam links if they are open. If they aren't, the giveaway winner should have been announced and paid for already. You already know how we coming with the straight business. Yo, I'm gonna have that video dropping the shit that I'm gonna be selling ASAP too. That's coming this week for sure. No slacking. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Stay up. And I'm out.
That's why I try and I try. Music's only thing that's been getting me by. My mama always call and that stage, you alright? Yeah, I'm straight, I'll be fine. I just wish I didn't feel so alone. Yeah, hey, but I can afford to go break. I've been through worse, I can brace. She gave me shit every day. We would just argue. I'm sick of this shit every day. I deal with your face every day. I'm thinking about moving away. It's 15, a little jit thing, but I was running around through the east. Ay, talking calm when we on the phone, but it's something wrong when we link. And I just down a bottle, I'ma kill the pain. Just moving on while I fade away.
Rest in peace, the screw tonight, we take it slowly.